One of the systems I'll be using throughout this entire process is to dry fit a batch of stones in place before we start cementing them on the wall or on the pathway. I'm using some scrap pieces of timber to hold the sandstone tiles in place, so I know I've got a really tight fit when it comes to sticking them on the wall. To achieve a really strong bond between the sandstone and the concrete, I want to make sure I get a really good coverage of the tile cement product on both surfaces. I use my tile rake to scrape off the excess. This helps keep control of the amount of material we're leaving on the concrete. I butter the back of our sandstone bricklet. This particular sandstone product has special grooves cut in the back side of it. Once I've tidied up all the edges, making sure I don't leave any bare patches, I squeeze the tile in place. By tapping gently with my rubber hammer, I can line up the tile into the correct position.
You come and go like a monsoon rain. You have